Hello, I will be talking about the consonant sounds that exist in the Norwegian language but not in English. While there may be some overlapping in consonants between Norwegian and English, there's still some consonant sounds found in Norwegian that don't have direct equivalents to English at all. The first example I'm going to be talking about is it looks like a C with a thing hanging down. It is a voiceless palatal fricative, often described as the angry cat sound. It's the sound represented by the KJ combination in Norwegian words, like the word kayo, which means to buy, or the word kyss, which means kiss. There are a lot of this combination in Norwegian words. Even words like FJ or KJ combinations, you will find these a lot in the Norwegian language. And the second example is a voiced counterpart of the palatal fricative, similar to the Y in the German language, like ja, which is spelled JA in English, but in the German language and the Norwegian language, it is pronounced ja, not ja. It can sometimes occur as an allophone of the G sound in certain contexts as well. And the last example that we're going to talk about is the retroflex flab, a sound made by flicking the tongue tip against the roof of the mouth. It's the typical pronunciation of the R in many dialects of Norwegian, while English has an velar approximant. The Norwegian flap is very distinct in its articulation. Thank you.